In the small, isolated village of Black Hollow, there stood an old, decrepit mansion known as the Whispering House. No one knew who built it or why it was abandoned, but everyone knew it was cursed. Local legend had it that anyone who dared enter the mansion would hear whispers in the dark, and those who listened too long would vanish without a trace. The summer night was humid, the moon shrouded by thick, rolling clouds. A group of curious teenagers, eager to prove their bravery, decided to explore the mansion. There was Jack, the fearless leader, Lisa, the skeptic, Tom, the prankster, and Emily, the quiet one who always felt uneasy about the mansion. Armed with flashlights and nerves of steel, they made their way to the Whispering House. As they approached, the air grew colder, and the silence was broken only by the creaking of the mansion's old wooden doors. The group stepped inside, their flashlights cutting through the thick darkness. Dust swirled in the beams of light, and the air smelled of mold and decay. Just an old house,